wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best baking books. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For those who are watching their weight but still like to indulge, Dessert for Two offers small batch recipes that won't leave you with a bunch of tempting leftovers. It blends Southern, Californian and Midwestern styles to create something for everyone's taste. It's written in a very approachable style, and most of the recipes are easy to double when you have company. However, they do require some special equipment. At number 9, if you're looking for a challenge, Momofuku Milk Bar is full of fun and complex desserts that will have you in the kitchen all day. From their famous crack pie and cereal milk ice cream to sky-high layer cakes, every adventurous baker is sure to find something new to try. It includes unique flavor combinations and a foreword by David Chang, but it calls for some specialty ingredients. Coming in at number 8 on our list. After thousands of hours of testing, Cooks Illustrated's Baking Demystified offers advice on equipment, ingredients and techniques that's useful for first-timers, experts and everyone in between. It even includes a shopping guide with specific brand recommendations. It features 450 easy-to-follow recipes and step-by-step illustrations. However, the pictures are in black and white. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Embracing Both Art and Chemistry, How Baking Works explains the science behind sweeteners, fats and leavening agents, and how they all interact with each other. It also goes into how to make low-fat and gluten-free modifications to recipes without altering the outcome. It's extremely well-researched and offers hands-on learning experience. It includes exercises with each chapter. Moving up our list to number 6. In Baking From My Home to Yours, Dory Greenspan divulges her personal favorite recipes, from simple raisin swirl bread to decadent multi-layer cakes. It's easy to follow for beginners, but still offers worthwhile knowledge for more experienced cooks. Each section includes useful tips, and it contains high-quality photos. The glossary is exceptionally detailed. Halfway up our list at number 5. In The Perfect Cookie, you won't just learn how to make the best brownies, ginger snaps and biscotti you've ever had. It also goes into the science behind what makes the ingredients work together and teaches kitchen-tested methods and tips for improving your skills. It produces very consistent results, and there's a full-page photo for each recipe. It also covers candies and chocolates. At number 4, named the Diva of Desserts, Rose Levy-Barenbaum brings her extensive expertise to the Baking Bible. Each chapter includes a list of golden rules that will help you to hone your skills and make the perfect cakes, tarts, pastries and breads. It's very well organized and the instructions are highly detailed. It includes a troubleshooting section. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Classic French and American confections come together in Bouchon Bakery, written by renowned restaurateur Thomas Keller and his executive pastry chef Sébastien Roussel. It explains seemingly complicated techniques like tempering chocolate in a beginner-friendly manner. It includes measurements by weight and volume, and the instructions and notes are thorough. It won the IACP Award for Photography. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're partial to savory rather than sweet, Flour, Water, Salt, Yeast is an excellent resource for learning how to make homemade bread in all its forms. It covers quick recipes like pizza dough and more advanced, time-consuming projects like sourdough loaves. It was the winner of the James Beard Award and uses very simple ingredients, as you might have guessed. It explains fundamental concepts well. And taking the top spot on our list, acclaimed by many news and food publications, Bravetart, iconic American desserts, is full of classics such as cherry pie, red velvet cake, and blueberry muffins. It's written in a precise yet approachable manner that cooks of all levels can follow and appreciate. It includes a foreword by J. Kenji Lopez-Alt and gluten-free modifications. It discusses the history behind recipes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. demystified.com. Go there now and search for baking books, or simply click beneath this video.